Hey folks, Ray Terry here from About Your House Radio, talking put tools in schools. Actually, put tools on YouTube. I'm down here today at Precision Plumbing talking different career pathways in plumbing, other than that associate's degree or four-year degree at a college and college debt. Let's eliminate it. That's my motto. Eliminate college debt. Don't go. Go a different course. I'm speaking here with Matt Brinson. Matt, good to talk to you. Good to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Matt's been a listener for many years, he tells me, and walked down here and meet him, and he was in awe of meeting me, which is not a big deal to me. But how long you been listening to me?
Going on probably 13, 15 years, somewhere around there.
Wow, amazing. Well, I didn't know Matt before I came down to Precision Plumbing, but now I know him, and great guy. Matt, how long you been in plumbing?
13 years.
13
Going
years.
on 14.
And how old are you?
I'm 35.
So right out of high school, basically,
That's right.
you jumped on board.
Yes, sir.
Did you go to school?
I did. I did about a year of college on a, community college level.
Right.
Decided it wasn't for me, and made a career change as far as what I wanted to do.
Right.
And landed here.
What brought you into plumbing, per se?
I wanted an entry-level position at the time that would satisfy paying my bills. Had no clue of where it would take me, and I quickly realized that it was a career path for me.
Awesome. And you've been at Precision how long?
13 years.
He's been here 13 years, folks. Great job. I mean, are you happy?
Absolutely.
You happy, boy?
Yes. Yes.
Married now?
Yes. 2 kids.
2 kids?
Married.
All
happy,
right.
yeah.
Now, what's your position at Precision?
I'm currently a project manager. Started out as an apprentice from a green rookie level. Worked my way up 5 years. Got into a truck as a foreman, and 5 years later, project management.
Project management. Folks, great career pathway, great career opportunity with purpose and happiness, and great benefits.
Absolutely.
Folks, plumbing. Kids, young adults, old adults. If you're looking for a change to get out of the rat race of corporate America, you might consider plumbing or any construction trades. Tune in every Saturday or go online About Your House Radio and find out where you can go to get these different career opportunities, because there isn't a really good method for finding them. I'm going to do all I can to help. Let's put tools in schools. Let's put opportunities out there on YouTube. Let's do all we can for the industry. We need the help. Stay tuned every Saturday morning, 8 to 11 a.m. About Your House Radio. We'll talk to you then, and it was great to meet you, Matt.
Thank you, Ray.
And thank you for Precision Plumbing down here in Matthews. Great company, great opportunities. Give them a call. Send them your resume. They need help. We'll talk to you soon, folks.